Hey there, I am Gunapriya. Welcome to your favorite YouTube channel GpnArts. Today I made this beautiful and simple paper puppet. If you want to learn how to make this puppet, then let's move to our video. Take one square paper, fold it from middle, again fold it from middle, press here, now open it. Here we have one center line, fold this side till middle line, same with other side. Now put your finger here and open this and press it. Same with other side. Here you can see one line. Fold this paper at the back side. Same with other side. Here we have two square. Fold this square like this. Turn the paper and fold it. Same with other side. Now fold like this, turn the paper and fold it. Now open this pocket. Press in middle. And carefully press these two sides on each other. Press properly. Here we have one corner. Hold that corner and fold it. Turn the paper and hold that corner and fold it. Now it's time to open it. Open like this and hold it from the back side. Here is your puppet mouth. Now we are going to make a tongue for this puppet mouth. Take one red paper. Take one strip from that paper. make a tongue like this and paste it inside the paper. Make eyes with the sketch pen. And here our paper puppet is ready. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, then do not forget to share it with your family and friends. For upcoming new videos, please subscribe GpnArts. Till then, bye.